Wusthof chef knife. Love these things. I sit in a chair, use my professional stone, put my first finger on the blade, set it on the stone, get my angle. Look how far the back of the blade is off the stone. Lock my wrist. Bring the tip to the stone. Then I'm going to bend forward, take a bow to see if the knife moves. When the knife moves, then I'm able to make the stroke. My angle hasn't moved. So I'm going to take my body down to the stone and let my elbow go out so that this stays level on the stone. If I were just to go down like this part of the blade will not touch the stone. Take my body down to the stone, and I turn the blade over, get my angle, lock my wrist, then I'm going to bring my elbow in. The knife goes out the front of the stone. Now I'm going to bring my right shoulder back, my left shoulder forward, and my elbow up in the air. So right shoulder back, left shoulder forward, and my elbow up in the air. Just going to follow that line on my stone. Right shoulder back, left shoulder forward, elbow up in the air. So through this stroke, my upper body is going to ride on this edge all the way through to the tip. So it's going to be sharp from the hilt to the tip. Going forward, have my angle, lock my wrist, come back to the beginning, take a bow to see if the knife moves. If the knife moves, I take my body down to the stone, let my elbow go out. So this knife will be sharp from the tip to the hilt. Turn the blade over, put my thumb on the blade, get my ankle, lock my wrist, bring my elbow in. So to making this stroke, my knuckles, if the stone wasn't here, my knuckles are going to ride along the line of my leg. My upper body is going to ride on it. My wrist is locked, so the angle is locked. So the right shoulder comes back, left shoulder goes forward. When the elbow goes up in the air, my upper body rides on that tip. So this is sharp from the hilt to the tip. One consistent, sweet stroke. I don't have to do this fast. The stone is so remarkable that it takes off steel where I need it to take off steel. It's aggressive and user-friendly at the same time. I'm using my upper body. I'm using my own natural body mechanics to make these strokes. So one consistent, true, sweet edge.